So hey guys, this is going to be a cooking video, so hi. How to make pasta. Just mix, someone was eating it. There's the pasta maker exactly right there. There's more ingredients. And there's another sugar. And I don't know what that is, but it's something. So you can see on top is the smoother. See? Dun, dun. So you can smooth it, watch. Here's the clinker. So hey guys, here's the turner. Bing. That's how the way you want your pasta. And cool. Okay, bye. We'll see your video to see how it looks like. Bye bye.